Okay, y'all, so I kind of did an unboxing, but I did it vertical really quickly. I was tired. I did some gig work today. So from the fall drop, I did get, I can't remember what I recorded and what I didn't. I got my large Rowan, braided Rowan came in today, y'all. It is so pretty, really pretty. So on camera, it does look like, that the quality is not quite there, or, it buckles there, but it is really nice in person. Like, you have to see these bags in person. And once this, get some love to it, it'll be so nice. Like these tassels over here, it is really nice. So the large Rowan, I think I said vertically, vertically, that I, since I love the regular Rowan so much that I didn't want to miss out on the large Rowans, and I got this before it went up, y'all. The large Rowans, and I didn't want to miss out on some of the mini Rowans, because at first I was like, why do people like the mini Rowans? But these brown ones can go with just about anything, when you're going somewhere really quick and you only need to put a couple of things in your bag. It could be date night, but you might want to dress it up, or you're going to a ball game, or I don't know, bowling or something like that. You don't want to take a big bag. Yeah. And especially the suede, because the suede one is larger. I mean, you can fit more stuff in it. Not larger, but you can fit more things in it. So I didn't want to miss out on that. But the price that it is now, I would have passed, because those prices really do turn you off. I've been eyeing this since the suede came out, the maple card case, and I got that. I only have 2 card cases, so I'm building my collection, y'all, slowly. Not slowly, but it seems like it's fast but slowly, because some things I passed on. And then I was eyeing as well this wallet. I probably need a long wallet for this large bag. But yeah, I didn't want to miss out on this maple, not maple, well, I guess it is maple brown, the roped large Rowan. And since I like that regular again, and I'll just try to put that insert on the inside and see how that goes, super, super cute and pretty. This is not a part of that drop, but the olive wristlet went on sale for $26. So I had to grab it. And since I didn't get the Rowan, and yeah, since I didn't get the Rowan, I was like, you know what? I can get some accessories and, pair it with that. I know I saw some of the girls on TikTok where they had maybe, I think it was a brown Brooklyn, and she accessorized it with, with olive accessories. So I did get this in the skinny mini. I do like the little ID holder mini, because I can use that for my gig cards. When I say gig, I mean like Instacart, DoorDash, Uber Eats, let's see what else, Spark. All of them, they give you like some type of card. Well, Spark doesn't, but they give you some type of card that you are supposed to use to purchase stuff for your customer that you're delivering for. And so sometimes some stores you can use your Apple Wallet, but some of them, grocery stores, you have to actually have the physical card. So it's best to have those on hand at all times. And then I did get the pencil case, of course. This was like my first thing I grabbed, this, and then I was frustrated. I did have to call customer service about the planner. Let me go get that. Okay, so I did get, not planner, but the notebook, and I had to call customer service coach, and I actually had to call them 3 times, y'all. 3 times to get this. I think I did the chat once, and she asked me, she said, do you want me to call you? And I said, no, that's okay, I'll call. And then I had 2 gentlemen to tell me that it wasn't supposed to be released yet, wait till later. One of them said they're going to cancel all the orders that ordered this already. And I was like, okay. So my mama taught me to always call back and get somebody else, because sometimes, especially at customer service places, people don't know what they're talking about, or they just uninformed, or they don't read their info bank, or their information that they give them daily, or whatever. Because I know I used to work at a call center, several different places, and we didn't know what we were doing, and they threw us on the phones. So, yeah, and anyway, I don't want to go all into that, but I was gonna say what I know what company that actually has the coach, because I was gonna get a job with them, and anyway, they said it's a little stressful. So I called back the fourth time. No, I did a chat again, and then I got this rep to call me, and she, seemed like those reps were they knew what they were doing. So anyway, I wanted this more than anything. These two, and I wanted the card case before it sold out, because it went so well with the suede Rowans. So I think that's all I got, y'all, from the drop. Oh, no, it's not. Hold on. Hey, y'all. How you doing? I ain't even say hello in this video. My apologies. But I wanted to say, I wanted this notebook to match with my planner for next year. Crystal Evans Hurst, she has a inner circle planner, and I used it all of last year. I have a video on my channel, and she has new covers, and I chose the yellow one for joy, but she has the new burgundy that's in right now, the Merlot, a burgundy, and then she also has like a green, and they're on sale right now. So that's the Sister Circle. Just Google the Sister Circle or Inner Circle planner, and you should be able to find it. I'll put a link down below. I'm sorry. And then, yeah, I wanted it to match this so I can go back and forth and add my bloom planner in here as well. I put a video up soon about that. It's a little short video I put on TikTok. But anyway, y'all, thanks so much for watching. See y'all. So that goes really well. So I saw a lot of girlies with the card case with the suede. I did go ahead and spray my suede bag. And I did hate paying more for this because I got that off Macquarie. And I love brown. I love brown. So that's why I didn't want to miss out on these Rowans. And the last thing I got from the last drop was the Jamie camera bag. And that's only because I had the Dusty Pink. I had the Dusty Pink book bag from the previous drop, but I got that from an essay off of TikTok. So most of my book bags I think I'm gonna make a video of it, or already did if I don't change my mind. And so I have 3 camera bags and 3 book bags, and I try to get them to coordinate with the backpack. So anyway, sorry this was like the way it is, y'all. I'm tired. I did like some Spark Walmart delivery earlier today, and then I picked my son up from school. I did my homework, then I picked my son up from school, and then I went to my mom's house, took her some stuff, and then I got an order while I was sitting there with her. I talked to my son on the phone while he was at work, y'all, for like probably 2.5, 3 hours. And then, let's see, yeah, I went to my mom. I was still on the phone with him all this whole time. And then I got an order for Spark, and then I had to deliver 3 orders, and then I made some chicken wings. And now I'm going to take a shower before my husband come home. So anyway, y'all ain't care about all that. I'm just tired, and that's why I did. Let's see, I did this this way. So anyway, y'all, I'm happy about my haul. I did have my eye on that Chanel bag, but that was really high. I was really disappointed in Coach prices. I really was. I did like the Ella. Is it the Ella bag? Yeah, I can't remember. The 2 ones that had the Chanel fabric or whatever, Chanel fabric, but I was really disappointed in their prices. So I was like, are you serious? Are you serious? They were gonna price me out. Price me out. All right, see y'all later. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.